let me tell you the tale about the study of the intertidal zone done at Cherno Marine Station. But what is intertidal zone? Well, it is a transition zone between sea and land. Here, the properties change dramatically due to the tidal cycles. Tidal oscillations here are very small. Despite this microtidal phenomenon, we can see a gradient of physical, chemical and biological components influencing the distribution of species. Littorina saxatilis are commonly found across this gradient in the zones of the intertidal, and so we wondered, do Littorina saxatilis have a site preference within the microtidal zones of the intertidal? To answer this question, we designed our study, which combines field and lab work. For the field observations, we built an Arduino multisensor to monitor the physical changes of the intertidal zone, including temperature, tidal changes, and light. Also, we tagged a number of snails in the same site and counted them to monitor their activity across the intertidal. Then, for the lab work, we built wave simulating devices to replicate the gradient we find in the intertidal. Then, we collected snails in nearby locations of Cherno and Salto. After, we painted them according to their original location within the intertidal. In the lab, we placed them at the very top or very bottom of rocks and tracked their movement after 3 hours. From the data we extracted, we found out the following. Snails move differently according to their site of origin and whether they are placed at the top or at the bottom of the rock. It also turns out that snails tend to be a lot more active when they are in contact with water than in a dry area. In the field, our Arduino device successfully tracked the patterns of the microtidal movements. Finally, our field observations showed us how dynamic rocky shores are, as we were not able to see a clear pattern across our 3 sites. In the end, we are satisfied with what we have learned, and we hope that you are too.